Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done using the script above me, which uses a combination of different letter stems and modifiers to make each of the different letters. And then vowels are smaller circles, which you can see in this design here are these guys at about this size, like that. These are our vowels. And then our consonants are our bigger circles, and then these divots that can be either deep divots or shallow divots. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to reading this. So first things first, orientation matters. And if we rotated this design, the names would be rotated, and the last letter might end up being the first letter, and so on and so forth on these names. So it is important that we keep this orientation as it is with the other design. I didn't put a start marker in here just to save space, but if I did put one here, I would put it right there because I really tried to make this as sleek as possible to make it a little bit smaller so you could add it to that existing design in one bubble. With that being said, let's go ahead and get to reading it. So starting at the bottom, going counterclockwise, there are 1, 2, 3 lines on this M, and then the I has a line going inwards. CH has 2 dots, an A is outside the word circle, the E is on the line of the word circle, and then an L here has 3 dots. So that's our first name. Then continuing counterclockwise, our next name, we start with an N, 1 line instead of 3, but otherwise similar to the M. And then an O inside our word circle. A V has 1 line, and then an A outside the word circle. And we can tell this A goes here because it's close to that word, this A goes here because it's close to that word, and then this A goes there because it's close to that word. But it is not the first letter of the word because the first letter starts at the bottom, which has 2 lines and is a P, continuing counterclockwise, A outside the word circle, I line going inwards, G has 1 line and then the E, and then we have a B with an I line going inwards, and then an SH has 2 dots, O inside our word circle, and then a P. Again, just like that P. So that would be bishop. So those are those names in that design. I hope that I got this to you in time for your tattoo tomorrow. But other than that, if you have questions, feel free to ask.